Hello everyone, my name is Janara and this is a video tutorial on crocheting potholders from t-shirt yarn. And I will use ALTYN t-shirt yarn color peach. In one skein of 100 meter, and I need about 20 meter yarn thickness, 7-9 millimeter. Unwind the yarn from the skein and stretch the yarn. I will also need a plastic or wood ring with a diameter of 5 cm and a crochet hook number 6 and 4. Leave the tip of the yarn 3 or 4 cm and make a knot. Next we need to cast on 21 chain. Done. And now we crochet the first row. Skip the first chain, insert the hook into the back half loop of the second chain and crochet slip stitch. Continue crocheting 20 slip stitch until the end of the first row. Done, we finish crocheting the first row. Make one chain at the end of each row. Turn the work over, insert the hook into the 1 half stitch and make slip stitch. Continue crocheting 20 slip stitches until the end of the second row and continue crocheting. We need total of 20 rows. We finished crocheting 20 rows. Let's count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs of rows. Then crochet 22 row, 19 slip stitches and 23 row, 18 slip stitches. We finish crocheting 23 rows and we should get 18 stitches. Next crochet 24 row, 18 stitches and 25 row, 17 stitches. We finish crocheting 25 row. Then we need to crochet 26 row, 17 stitches and 27 row, 16 stitches. Okay, we finished to crocheting 27th row. Make one chain, then attach the ring behind the work and crochet through the ring, single crochet. First single crochet in the first corner and another 3 single crochet at the corners. Total of 4 stitches. And now we have finished crocheting. Cut off the end of the yarn and hide the end of the yarn inside the stitches. So we have finished crocheting a pot holder or dolly from t-shirt yarn, and let's measure it. The size of square 16 by 16 centimeter. You can keep this napkin in closet or hang it on a hook in your kitchen. Thank you, and tag me on your work on Instagram.